You used to have the Yiddish theater there. There it was the Broadway of the Yiddish theater. That's the only way I can describe it. I'm not sure how many theaters that you had on Second Avenue. I was told you had a lot, 5, 6 theaters, whatever. Now you had the Anderson, which was on Second Avenue between 3rd and 4th. Then on 12th Street and Second Avenue on the west side, the corner, 12th and 2nd, you had a theater, which today is a movie theater chopped up into different rooms. Now the main viewing room, if you look at the ceiling, has a beautiful ornate Magen David. To this day, and they restored it, it looks beautiful. In the right-hand corner of the building on the outside, in Hebrew letters, it says the year the theater was established. By the time the Second Avenue Deli opened, Yiddish theater was past its heyday. I think the only theater that was really left was the Anderson. So Ann Corio was starring, and this was burlesque, on the 12th Street Theater. And I know my brother would go in there, if it was slow in the deli, would just walk into the theater. They knew him, so they just walked in on his own, sit in the back and doze off.